Hi and welcome to our comprehensive tutorial. I'm Irone Rae Abis and along with my team, we're going to guide you to a critical tech skill, installing an operating system inside the virtual machine. We will use Windows 11 as our OS and Oracle VirtualBox as our virtual machine. This project is about creating a safe, separate environment for testing and learning. It's a precise process and will ensure every step is clear. To start, Jovinal, please explain the concept of virtual machine.
Thanks, Aaron. Before we dive into the technical steps, it's essential to understand why we use VM. Simply put, a virtual machine, or VM, is a computer system created within another computer system. It uses the physical resources of your main PC, the host, but it is completely isolated and runs a separate case operating system, in our case Windows 11. This isolation is a superpower. Any issues or viruses are contained and want to harm your main operating system. To begin, we need two key components, the VM software and the Windows installation file. So Jemark, show us how to get them.
That was a great breakdown, Juvenal. Now that we understand the concept, let's get the necessary features. I'll guide you to downloading the Windows 11 ISO and installing VirtualBox. We'll start by getting the Windows 11 ISO file. Please open your browser and go to microsoft.com, software download Windows 11. Scroll down to the download Windows 11 disk image for 64-bit devices. Select Windows 11 from the drop-down menu. Click confirm. This will validate your request, so just wait for a few seconds. Now, select the product language. I will choose English United States from the selection. Select confirm and wait again. The download link was generated. And you can click the 64-bit download button to continue. Downloading will start immediately, just wait for it to finish. The size of ISO file is almost 7.2 GB, and this may take a while to download depending on your internet connection speed. In my case, it's about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, we are now finished to download the ISO file of Windows 11. Next, the VirtualBox software. Open your browser and go to virtualbox.org. Select the platform package that is compatible with your PC. I will choose Windows in my case. The download will start automatically. Just wait for it to finish. After downloading, go to the file location and double-click it to start installation. Click Next.
Accept the license agreement and click Next.
You can select the features to install and modify the installation location. I will leave it at the default. Now, click Next. Click Yes, Yes, click Next, and then click the Install button. Wait for it to complete the installation and click Finish. Now, You're done with the installation of Oracle VirtualBox on your computer. Now that the software is installed, Maynard will show us how to build the VM.
Fantastic work, Jmart. We have our VM software in our ISO. I'll now show you how to step into VirtualBox and build the virtual hardware itself. Open the Oracle VirtualBox application. Click the New button in the top left corner. Choose your VM name. I will type Windows 11 here. For ISO image, click Other from the drop-down menu and select the ISO file we downloaded earlier. Uncheck the Proceed with Unattended installation box. And now, you can modify the virtual hardware and virtual hard disk to select your memory size, number of CPUs, and allocated disk size. The default configurations are already good enough, so you can skip the part if you like. Now click the Finish button. Before we start our VM, go to the settings first. Under System then Acceleration, choose Hyper-V for the Aura virtualization interface. This works pretty well for Intel-based computers. You can explore more of the VM settings. You can adjust number of CPUs in the processor tab as well. Configure motherboard setting and much more. Now go to the display settings and make sure that the video memory size is set to 128 MB. You can also visit the storage category in the VM settings, which enables us to connect virtual hard disk, CD or DVD, and floppy images drives to our virtual machine. If you think everything is good enough, now click the OK button. And finally, click the Start button to launch the virtual machine. Wait for it to power up. This may take a while again. Annalyn, take us through the operating system setup.
Thank you, Maynard. So our virtual machine is created and configured. The final and most exciting step is using the Windows 11 ISO to install the full operating system. When the being boots up in the Windows 11 Zeta appears, choose your preferred language to install, the time, and the QNC format. I will leave it by default, and then click Next. Now select your preferred keyboard and input method. I will leave mine to set to US. And then click Next. When the setup option appears, we would like to install Windows 11. So I will leave the default selected. Then click the agreement checkbox and then click Next. When it asks for a product key, just choose in here that I don't have a product key button below. Then, let's wait for a while as it gets things ready. Now select the type of operating system you want to install. In my case, I will choose Windows 11 Pro and then click Next. Accept the notice and the license term by clicking the Accept button. Please wait for a while. Then select the location where you want to install Windows 11. Then click Next. This should be the task allocated for your VM. Now the OS is ready to install. Double-click your selection and when you are satisfied, just hit the Install button. Windows 11 is now installing. Keep in mind that the PC or VM will restart several times and this is normal. The installation will take a while, so let's wait. Then, the VM has restarted. Let's just keep our computer on while waiting further. After waiting, the Windows 11 OS is now successfully installed in our VM. We will now proceed to the final Windows setup. Now select your region. I will leave it as the United States and click Yes. Then select your keyboard layout. I will leave it to US and then click Yes. If it asks for the second keyboard layout, just click the skip button and then wait for some time to finish the setup. Now, choose a name for your device. We can skip this part if you want by clicking the Skip for Now button. If it asks how you would like to set up, choose Set up for personal use and click Next. Then, let's wait again while it's checking for Windows updates. And the OS will automatically update if it finds one. In our case, the update is now progress. And this is called take a while. So, let's wait again for it to finish. Make sure our PC or VM is always on. ever encounter this error, your device runs into a problem and needs to restart, just let it do so. All we need to do is wait. The VM is now restarting. Let's wait for furthermore. Now we can see the welcome next, and let's wait more. Now we need to sign in to our Microsoft account. You can create one if you don't have an account yet, or sign in immediately by entering your account details. I will skip this part for privacy reasons. After signing in, you now need to create a PIN for your Windows. Just click the Create PIN button. Enter your PIN and confirm it, and then click OK. If you ever encounter an error, double-click your PIN so it meets the complete requirements and never use PIN that is a common number pattern. You can also click the box for include letters and symbols if you want to include them in your PIN. If everything is still double-click, click the OK button again. You can choose your privacy settings. I will leave them by default in my case, and then click next, and then click next, and then click next, and then click next, and then accept. If it asks again how you'd like to set up your PC, just choose Set Up as a new PC and then click Next. Now, let's wait again when things are getting ready for us. You can customize your Windows experience if you like. In my case, I will just click the skip button. If it asks if you would like to use your mobile device for your PC, just click the skip button. If it asks if you would like to always have access for your recent browsing data, just click the Not Now button. If it offers a free trial of Microsoft 365, it is up to you if you would like to accept it, but in my case, I will decline the offer. Just click Decline Microsoft 365 and then click the Decline button again. And now, click Next. If it asks you to join Game Pass Premium, just click the Skip button. Then finally, the installation is complete and we have a successful setup of our Windows 11 and our virtual machine. So, Aaron, what's next?
Thanks, Annalie. Before we end this tutorial, you might notice that our display is not in full screen. Let's fix this step by step. Go to the Device tab from the above selection. Select and click the Insert Guest Addition CD image. And after that, open the File Explorer. Under this PC section, open the CD drive VirtualBox Guest Addition. From the list, open the VBox Windows Additions-AMD64 file to start the installation. Once it's open, let's go through the installation process. Click Next, then Next. You can modify the destination folder where this app will be installed. I will leave it at the default. So let's click Next. And finally, click the Install button. Let's wait while it's installing. After installation, just click the Finish button. And now, your Windows will reboot automatically to apply the changes and complete the installation. Let's wait again while our Windows is rebooting. Now the device is rebooted, let's enter our PIN to unlock it. And finally, we now have a full screen Windows 11 OS running in our virtual machine. So that's it! From zero to fully functional Windows 11 desktop. We've completed the installation inside the VirtualBox. We hope this step-by-step guide provided you with all the necessary details. Remember, this setup is perfect for testing, learning, or running applications securely. Thanks for watching and happy virtualizing!